I know you're not a woman, so you don't know how to arch your back. So our puppy pose are just gonna be.
Just keep it in there.
Yes.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. I know you're not a woman, so you don't know how to arch your back.
I won't even say anything, guys.
Arch. What are you thinking?
No,
Do you know
nothing.
women are generally just more flexible than men?
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You don't know how to arch your
But
back.
arch your back was crazy, but okay. We're gonna leave it there, guys.
Are you okay?
I'm good.